Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Royal Match. We go to settings in this first here page. You click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of a Royal Match. Here we click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Royal Match. Then if you find updates, you will